Hi and welcome to CTEK. I'm Tony Zeal and we've put together a short series of films to show you all you need to know about our D250 SE and SmartPass 120S DC-DC onboard charging system. In this film, I'll be showing you how to install the units. When we showed you how to plan your installation, we talked about locating your units as near to the service battery as possible, because this dictates how long and how thick your cables need to be. As you can see, we've already linked the two units together using the supplied connector plates and the 4 terminal screws. For this particular system, which is in a demonstration vehicle and running a 300-watt inverter for charging tools, etc., we're going to locate both units here, which is near to the service battery, and we can feed the cables through to it quite easily. If we measure the distance between the units and the service battery, and then look at the handy cable guide in the instruction manual, we can see we need a 35mm square thick and 3-meter long cable for the completion of the installation. Right, next we need to connect the eyelets. We need 4 cables here. The starter battery to the SmartPass 120S, the SmartPass 120S to the service battery via a fuse, the D250 SE to earth, and the service battery to earth. And this is the way we recommend you connect the eyelets. We also recommend you use a shrinkable tube connection so you've got a nice seal around the cable. Okay, let's connect the cables to the system. Don't be tempted to just tighten the cable terminals by hand. Use the Allen key to tighten them to a torque of 7 Newton meters to make sure they don't come loose over time. Now we just need to feed the cables along here through to the starter battery and connect to the 300 amp fuse. When it's all connected up, tape the temperature sensor on the SmartPass 120 to the top of the service battery. Pick a good spot that's clean, flat, and as close to the positive terminal as you can get it, to give you an accurate reading for the temperature of the battery. As we're using both units together, we'll also need to fit the 300 amp fuse between the starter battery and the SmartPass 120S, and another 300 amp fuse between the SmartPass 120S and the service battery. Okay, one of the great features of the D250 SE is that it's also got a solar panel input with a built-in regulator, so you don't need an external one. It's designed for solar panels between 50 and 300 watts, as long as they've got a maximum open circuit value of 23 volts. And here's how to connect them up. Fix your solar panel to your roof and run a 6mm cable from the panel's output. Use an M8 ring terminal crimped onto the free end of the cable and then connect it to the solar input on the D250 SE. Like the other connections, make sure you tighten it up to 7 Newton meters and then you're ready to go. Well, that's how you get your system installed. And there's more information in the instruction manuals which come with the units, or you can download them from www.ctek.com. And if you need any more information, simply email us at info@ctek.se. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.